Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to design this spinner. Remember, you can download the ebook in the link in the description. Let's start. Start a new design. Okay, select plane. Make a center. C for another circle. Another circle here. Make a line here. Select as a construction. Make this vertical and the distance of 34. Make another circle here, 30. This tangent with this center. Another one that is equal with that. Another tangent. Select T for trim. Okay. Another circle here for the scroll. We need to rotate this design here. Select everything you need to rotate. Center point number 3. Okay. Extrude this profile, select all the parts here. Make a symmetric. This distance is 7 millimeters. Okay. The center profile. E for project. Okay. Offset. That's 3. Another offset. 3. Offset. Another 2 offset here. It's okay. Now we can finish the sketch. Select the profile, minus 1 millimeter. Okay. Now we can mirror. Selecting the tree, mirror plane. Now we have the both parts. Another selection, this plane. P for project. This internal place. Offset here, 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. Another one. Yes, 3 millimeters. Now 3 millimeters. Selecting the center profile. Cut. Operation cut. Okay. Now we can rotate this body. Select the axis. 2 and OK. Now we can combine these two bodies. Operation joint. Okay. Now we can make some fillets here. Use one. Use one. This one. And this one. 1 millimeter. Okay. another fillet here. Okay. The center. Now we can make this edge here. 1 millimeter. Okay. Now the fillet here. Yes. Another one here. Here. One here. Okay. 1 millimeter. Okay, here. Now we can select everything here, here. Okay. Remember, you need to select this face for. Okay. Now we can select that internal edge here. Hold the control. Everything with a fillet of 1 millimeter here, 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 here. Okay. Okay, very nice. Another one. This upside. Okay. And this internal edge with 0.5 millimeter. Now we can use the change to optimize into OK. Now we can add some color here. Paint. Some green. Okay. Now we can insert some bolts and nuts. Insert McMaster. Insert a nut, metric, and 8. Okay. you can insert the screw, a Phillips with 16 millimeters. Okay, we download like a step file and okay. Now I can rotate, select this face, hold the control button, and okay. Another joint, select the face, a rigid one, okay. Now we can insert our transmission, a bearing, ball bearing, okay, metric, millimeters, okay, this one, step. Now we can select this, select the face, hold the control button, select stop face, flip the object, okay. Now we can repeat the body, 6th, okay. Now we can make another, select the nut, exit, perfect. We can put some color here. Okay. Now it's finished this part. Remember, you can download the book in the description. Leave a comment here in the description of this video if you want to see more designs. Thank you so much. Bye bye.